Welcome to Food, TV and Lifestyle. I really hope that you all are doing fine and taking very good care of yourself. COVID cases are low and schools are slowly going offline and regular. In such times, we are really worried about our children's immunity, especially because they are not vaccinated. In such times, having the most potent immunity boosting foods which are extremely popular in kids and are really versatile to cook, loads of recipe ideas, extremely important. It's extremely important that we include such types of food in our kids' diet so that their immunity is robust. And one such food is really raw turmeric. If you missed knowing about it, there is a playlist. Please go and check out this.
Hi friends, so I have also got this query that how to use raw turmeric for kids because they are really fussy and you have not really shared how to use it in any non-vegetarian dish or snack which would be easy to prepare and would be easily acceptable to the kids or the adults alike. So just stay tuned because in a very short video I am going to tell you a very easy way of adding raw turmeric to your non-veg so that your kids and you enjoy it. Stay tuned. See you in the next section. Anuradha, and I am today going to tell you about one way of adding raw turmeric which would make all the kids and the adults happy. It's very easy to use, and since I have got this query that I share any non-vegetarian dish to basically make raw turmeric an easy routine of eating, so I thought why not to join raw turmeric with the very high source of protein. We all know that corona is on rise, and during the corona, or to fight off the corona, or even to ward off the corona so that we don't get any corona or Omicron infection, high protein diet is proved to be a very effective diet. And when you mix or add this high protein diet with the highest immune modulator known, or the most potent drug, which is raw turmeric, you have the great combo on your platter, right on your dining table. So yes, today I am going to tell you one very easy way for the non-vegetarians where they can use raw turmeric, especially for the children who are a little fussy to eat raw turmeric, which is a little bit had that earthy, citrus, bitter kind of flavor. Okay, so the way you are going to use it is in the way of egg punch. Yes, raw turmeric basically is a kind of a treat for your egg dishes. What you have to do is you just take a raw turmeric and grate it on your scrambled eggs. That's one way of adding it. You can have it on your omelets, you can have it on your frittatas. You can give your egg tortilla a new take or a new makeover completely when you grate raw turmeric over it. Since eggs are really favorite and very popular among the kids and the adults alike, so adding raw turmeric is a very easy way of incorporating it. Also, eggs are most commonly used as a breakfast snack. So it ensures that raw turmeric is also going hand in hand with the eggs, which are again the highest source of the protein. You can also add it to your whisked eggs. If you have whisked eggs for any of the things, like right from any kind of a dish where you have whisked your eggs, you can add a little bit of grated raw turmeric to it. So if you are making like an egg wash, or you are having it for the pastry, the whisked eggs, or for your pies, you can give that awesome golden color by using raw turmeric in those whisked eggs. So these are the very easy way of adding raw turmeric and giving that extra booster shot to your already protein rich eggs, making it sure that it would be popular in your kids as well as adults alike. So I really hope that you have liked this very short video and very short video of having raw turmeric with eggs, so that you have the best of both the worlds. You have the taste, you have the health on the platter. So as I always say, keep treating. If you have liked my video, just press like button, share it, comment it, raise the collective food consciousness, subscribe to the channel if you have not. Thanks for watching me, and press the bell icon for the notifications. Bye bye. Take very good care of yourself because you are worth it.